Panasonic creates washing machine with curry setting. Anyone who's ever tried to get curry stains out of clothing knows it's a very tough job. People in India now have some help from Panasonic, though. The Japanese company has created a new washing machine with a curry setting to fight those tough stains. Although only about 10% of people in India own a washing machine, Panasonic has sold about 5,000 of the Stain Master machines so far in India. The company has a target to sell at least 30,000 of the machines by March 2018. Development of the new setting took 2 years. Researchers analyzed common Indian curries and then experimented with water temperature and movement to create the setting. The machine has 5 other settings for Indian consumers as well, including one for removing hair oil. In addition to India's Stain Master, Panasonic is planning similar machines for Asia with settings targeted to common food stains in those countries. It has not said which countries or stains those are, though.
Vocabulary:
Curry, stain, tough, researcher, analyze, temperature, consumer, remove,